Today we celebrate the life of St. Clare of Assisi. Those of you who have gone on the European trip with Father Bill probably know far more about St. Clare than I do. Nevertheless, I'll do my best to try to encapsulate her life in just a minute or two. St. Clare was born in the late 12th century, lived throughout half of the 13th century. She came from a wealthy family and was destined for marriage and a life of ease and comfort. But as a teen, she heard Francis of Assisi preach. She almost immediately renounced all of her wealth, had her hair cut short, and joined his company. Eventually, other women, including her sister, joined her, and they formed a congregation known as the Poor Ladies of San Damiano. They lived very simply. They lived a life of poverty. They lived a life of prayer. They were barefoot. They ate almost no meat, and they lived in almost complete silence. They wanted to live in imitation of the life of St. Francis. Eventually, Clare's health declined, and she died at the age of 59 in the year 1253. Clare is another one of those women in church history who shows us that the way to Christ is through a life of simplicity and through a life of prayer in imitation of Jesus. Once again, thank you for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy today.